As soon as you enter the class, you need to greet each other.
Good morning, all of you. Sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
How are you?
Next, motivation. What is the motivation? Motivation means in order to get the lesson name from the students or subject experts, you need to ask them some questions. That is called motivation. You shouldn't reveal the lesson name. You have to make the students tell the lesson name. Then only you should start the lesson. To make them tell the lesson name, you have to ask some questions.
What have you had for breakfast?
I have had idli.
You?
I have had curd rice.
Very good. What did you have for lunch yesterday?
I had rice and dal yesterday.
Ajay, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet.
What is that?
Dog. That is a dog.
What did your pet eat yesterday?
My pet ate biscuits yesterday.
What if we don't take breakfast?
We can't survive without having food. So we need to take food, not only human beings but also animals, birds, each and every living thing need to take food.
You have made them tell the lesson name, right? So you need to write on the board that lesson name. Now I will say 3 situational sentences. You can choose among them. After writing the lesson name, you need to say like this. Today I have come up with this topic, or today I have come up with this lesson. Okay, this is one sentence. Now I am going to explain about food. Okay, now I am going to explain about food. Third one, now we are going to learn something about food. One more, now I am going to explain about this topic briefly. Lesson explanation plays major role during demo lecture, isn't it? In fact, you can win or lose a job based on your performance during a demo lecture. So, choose a topic and prepare thoroughly. Choose a topic that you have known very well, otherwise you may get confused. Have a clear beginning, middle and the end to your lesson. Use specific positive feedback to motivate students well and set a positive tone for learning. Frequently ask students questions to assess their understanding. Change your direction if students are not grasping your concept. So don't stand at a place. Interact with students and encourage them to interact with you. So these are the main elements that you should follow during demonstration lesson. Use the blackboard when it is necessary, because board usage is very important during demo lecture. Write key points on board like subheadings on the board. I have come up with the food topic, right? So I have written some subheadings on the board. First one is fruit and vegetables. Second one is starchy food. Third one dairy. Fourth one protein. Fifth one fat. Now you need to explain one by one. So in this way, simplify your topic and try to make them understand well. Use TLM to inculcate your subject in students. This is your motto, right? So use TLM. You might have learned about TLMs, how to prepare it, how to use it in your classroom. So I don't need to teach you how to prepare a TLM. So by showing your TLM, explain your lesson. I will definitely upload some videos how to make TLM soon. Once again, have a look at these important points. First one is greet each other. Second one, motivation. Third one, lesson explanation. Fourth one, board usage. Fifth one, TLM, teaching learning material. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.